especially in classics. 1954 Chevrolet 210 two-door sedan, done up into a nice street rod. This particular car was actually a one-owner, 66,000 original mile car when it was taken and done into a street rod. As you can see, custom paint, white and blue, the scallop style paint, riding on American Racing torque thrust wheels. FYI, it does have disc brakes up front, power steering, 350 underneath the hood, turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission paired up with that 350 Chevy V8. AC does blow cold. Take a look at the front headlights, been Frenched in, grill, front bumper all whited out to match the front of the car. Super blue, I believe this was, PPG color. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Of course, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. You want to give us a call. Shaved door handles on the side, as you can see. Work our way down the passenger side of this car. Paint shows well, a little older restoration. There's a few imperfections, and I'll show you here in a little bit as I kind of go by them. Cloth interior, bench seat up front. Tilt column, AM, FM, CD player, radio does work. A little kind of previous work, maybe showing a little bit through the paint right there, but not bad, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about right there. Just a little bit. Some imperfections in the paint there, Frenched in taillights. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's see, how about some more information on this? 273 open rear end. Engine has had rebuilding done to it before it was put in the car. It was built with forged pistons, ported heads, crane cam, hardened rods, roller rockers. Also has an Edelbrock intake and Edelbrock carb. I believe it was a 600 carb on it. Interior Dakota digital dash. And again, that tilt column. Front end does have a Mustang 2 style front end. Drop spindles. Little specs on the car for you. Take a look down the driver's side here. Considering the age, again, paint shows well. Kind of a couple little spots over here that kind of the same as on the other side of the rear deck area. But overall, shows very nicely. Again, cloth interior. I'm just going to reach in and pop it from the interior. There we go. Now, as far as interior, again, cloth. Kind of a gray tweed, if you will. Some custom paint on the dash, pinstriping. Kind of that old school hot rod look to it. No real rips, tears, holes, or anything in the fabric. As far as headliner, matching. Also in nice shape. And you'll be able to check out still pictures, back seat, trunk, engine bay. I'll tell you where to see those one last time before we finish up this video. There's those Dakota digital gauges. So everything's in working order. AC and heat controls here. Actually, a little CB radio underneath the dash. There's that AM, FM, CD player. Alright, slip around to the side of this so you can hear it run. Side exit exhaust. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you'll see the pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the engine bay, exteriors, all the pics of this. And I'm going to pause this one moment and let's pop the hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There it is, 350 V8. Again, HEI ignition. Double block intake and carb. Headers. Power steering. Front disc brake, Mustang seat, front end. AC and heat. Electric choke. Nice looking engine, babe. There is also, if you have it in storage at all, if you're letting it sit for any amount of time, there's it. Battery cut off right there. Electric fans up front. There you go, looking for a cool, old school looking hot rod, 1954 Chevrolet 210, two-door sedan, done upright. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.